In a peaceful village by the tall baobab trees lived Kibo, a curious boy who always wondered where the night came from. One evening, Kibo heard a strange melody drifting from the darkening forest. A shimmering bird with feathers like stars appeared, calling Kibo deeper into the woods. The night bird's glow dimmed, it was losing the light that brought night to the world. Kibo offered his courage, letting the bird borrow a piece of his own spirit to shine again. The bird soared into the sky, restoring the night, and Kibo became the forest's youngest guardian. And so the village learned, courage can light even the darkest sky.